Good day, everyone. Welcome to today's Mathematics Inquiry-based lessons. Our focus is in two essential operations in set theory, set difference and set complement, using universal set as our context. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to first, you will understand what set difference and set complement mean. Second, represent these operations using Venn diagram. And lastly, apply them to real-world situations using a universal set context. So let's begin our exploration. In set theory, the universal set contains all elements under consideration for a particular discussion or problem. Every other set that we discuss is a subset of universal set. As we notice the picture shown below, the rectangle represents the universal set U. The set A and set B are the subsets of set U. Suppose we are studying students in a class. Our universal set might include, so universal set denoted as U. Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, and Ella. So any group we define, like students in a basketball team or a math club, will be a subset of U. So another example of universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, let's say for example, our set A is 1, 2, and 3. Our set B is 4 and 5. So, set A and set B is a subset of our universal set. And now, let's explore set difference. So, set difference written as A minus B. So, the set difference of A and B is the set elements that are in A but not in B. So, think it is as subtracting elements of B from A. So, example. So, set A equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our set B is 3, 4, and 5. So before we answer, let's make a Venn diagram first. So this is our set A and set B. So as what I said, our set A is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our set B is 3, 4, 5. So, what you notice? So, what number are in A but not in B? So, our set difference is A minus B equals, our set difference is 1 and 2. So notice how only the elements unique to A remain. So let's try another example. So if U is A, B, C, D, and E, and our set A is A, B, and C. And our set B is B and D. So what is A minus B? So what letters are in A but not in B? So the answer is A and C. So this is our set difference. Now let's move forward to set complement. So set complement written as A prime or A complement. So set complement contains all elements in the universal set denoted as U that are not in A. So example, our universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And our set A is 2 and 4. So what is our A complement? So what number are in our universal set that are not in A? So our A complement is 1, 3, and 5. So think of it as everything outside A but still within the universal set. Now let's try another example. If our universal set is A, B, C, and D, and our set A is A and B. So what letters are in our universal set but are not in A? So our A complement is C and D. So set complement contains all elements in the universal set denoted as U that are not in A. So example, our universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And our set A is 2 and 4. So what is our A complement? So what number are in our universal set that are not in A? So our A complement is 1, 3, and 5. So think of it as everything outside A but still within the universal set. Now let's practice together. So our universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our set A is 1, 2, 3, and our set B is 3, 4, 5. So again, set difference are elements in A that are not in B. So what elements in A that are not in B? So our A minus B equals 1 and 2. Now, let's move on. What is our A complement? So again, A complement are elements in universal set but are not in A. So what number are in our universal set that are not in A? So our A complement is 4 and 5. To summarize, set difference identifies elements in one set but not in another. Complement identifies elements outside the set but within the universal set. Venn diagrams help us visualize these operations clearly. So these tools are essential in solving real-world problems like surveys, scheduling, and data analysis. Remember, inquiry-based learning encourages you to ask questions, explore possibilities, and represent your findings visually. So, thank you for joining today's lesson on set difference and complement. Practice using difference sets and universal sets. Draw your own Venn diagrams and apply these concepts to real-life situations. See you next time and keep exploring the world of mathematics.
Lupat.